Hello everyone, and today we're gonna be seeing what if dogs like to eat bubbles, which I've already experimented with, but I'm just gonna do again. So let's try it. I think I'm doing well. The dog, follow that dog. Yep, the dog likes to eat bubbles. Check out the dog. The doggy likes to eat bubbles. The doggy likes bubbles. There's one up there. You want more bubbles, do you? Come on, Tucker. Let's see, Tucker, there is a big bit of bubbles, and you need to eat the bubbles. Okay, he's already eaten like 1,000 of these before, and I think it's healthy, so come on, Tucker, come on. Watch the doggy as he eats bubbles. The doggy likes bubbles. Huh. Well, I think we should go and get more bubbles, so come on. Now this time I'm gonna put them extra high. Doggy. Doggy. Yes, this doggy likes to party. Okay, now this doggy seems... Oh, that's disgusting. Guess it's after eating all those bubbles. So, I think that's all for today's video, because that was extremely disgusting. And I don't want to talk about it anymore, and I still need to recover, so bye.